toenail fungus. How to avoid toenail fungus? Check this out. So one of my paleo viewers sent me this photo in. They were on holiday recently on a paleo retreat, and they developed ingrown toenail, got full of toenail fungus, and asked me what would be a way to prevent this. I'd say, well, first of all, your paleo diet definitely doesn't help. I'd recommend a vegan lifestyle, high-carb vegan lifestyle. It promotes more blood flow so your body can actually heal stuff like this. It's genuine, legit. Increase blood flows, decrease infections, and I would recommend having an open shoe that lets you have a wide foot splay. When your feet are bunched up by fashion shoes, you cannot get that blood flow. You cannot have the proper posture of the foot, of the muscles of the foot. So there you go. Avoid the foot tips, foot damage. Also get some sun on your feet. If you've got toe fungal issues, get some sunshine down there on the footsies, on the tootsies. There you go. So please no more toenail fungal shots to my inbox because you eat the paleo diet. Thanks for watching.